Well, hello, my students. I thought I'd make a little review for lines for our buddy quiz. Wow, the end is near. Can you believe it? I just can't believe it. Too bad we can't go back to September and start over. Oh. But anyways, stop the camera. Do these three problems. Then we'll do them pretty quick. Then turn me back on. Okay, well, hello. Slope. Change in y over change in x. Remember that formula. Change in y over change in x. So it'd be a 6 over a 3, which is a 2. This one, solve it for y is one way of doing it. There's a formula, too, if you want to go that route. It's this number divided by the opposite of this number, but I like to solve for y. Don't know why, but I like to do it that way. So, and then divide by -4. So it's 3/4 x minus 2. The slope is 3/4 number times x once it's solved for y. Excuse me. It's math. I'm getting all choked up. X equals the numbers of vertical line whose slope is always undefined. Now, find the x and y intercepts. Remember, the x-intercept is what you get when y is 0, so just put 0 in. Divide by 4, that would be 5 over 2 when you reduce it. The y-intercept is what you get when x is 0, so that would be 2. Easy peasy chocolate cheesy. And you can always graph with that if it just says graph. Now, find one ordered pair. Pluggy chuggy. Let's put in 2. Why 2? I have no idea. So let x equal 2. So that'd be 8 minus y equals 10. Subtract 8 minus y equals 2. Divide by -1. So my ordered pair is 2, -2. Pluggy chuggy, do it. Now we got 4 graphs. Do them. Then turn me back on. Okay, welcome. This is already solved for y. Oh my goodness. So it's 4. Slope is -3. So it's down 3, right 1. Down 1, 2, 3, right 1. Now notice no inequality, so no shading. This one, y equals 6, that's just a horizontal line. Slope is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slope is 0. If it's asked for, it's not, but that's okay. This one, inequality, so we're going to have some shading. -1, 2 is the slope, 1, 2 over 1, 1, 2 over 1. Now it's solid. If there's no equals, it's dashed. Put in 0, 0. Is a 0 greater than -1? Yes, it is. So Now this one at the bottom. We got to treat it like a equals. So I'm going to subtract x. Oh, I'm getting sloppy. Sorry about that. And then divide by -2. So it'd be 1/2 x minus 1. So -1, yoker dokers, up 1 over 2. Now, dash because there's no equals. Good. And then, like how I compliment myself. See, that's how I stay happy. Good job, Murphy. Thank you. Thank you. So 0, 0, put it in. It does work. So Okay. Next part. Find the equation line in slope-intercept form. Stop and do it. Well, welcome back. So I'm going to use slope-intercept since I'm given the slope and intercept. And I'm done. That's what they want. Oh my goodness, can it get any easier just really? Now I'm given a point and slope, so I'm going to use point slope. Y minus y1 equals the slope. I can't even read this. Okay, 4x minus 2. So y minus 1 equals 4x minus 8. And then slope-intercept, solve for y, so add 1 to both sides. 4x minus 7. This one, we got to find the slope first. So change in y, 5 minus 4 over 2 minus 3 equals -1. So pick a point. I'm going to pick that one. Thank you very much. So y minus 5 equals -1 x minus 2. So y minus 5 equals -x plus 2. Slope-intercept, so I'm going to add 5. Y equals -x plus 7. Yay! Now let's do standard form. I hope that fits in there okay. So do those 3, and then we're done for our little review here. Okay, good. So we got a point, we got a slope, go with it. Da, 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 da. So I'm going to distribute the half. Da, 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 da. Now, we're not supposed to have fractions. Oops, oops, oops. So I'm going to multiply by this 2y minus 12 equals x minus 4. Now, standard form, I need x and y on one side, number on the other, no fractions, which I just got rid of the fraction. So I'm going to subtract 2y, and I'm going to add 4 to get the number on the other side. So I'd have negative 8 equals x minus 2y. Yay! Didn't mean to go through it. Now, parallel to, well, what's parallel? Remember parallel? Same. So the slope is 6, so the parallel slope would also be 6. So I'd be y minus 6 equals the parallel slope x minus 5, using this point right here. This is the y, this is the x. So y minus 6 equals 6x minus 30. So I'm going to subtract y and add 30. So I get the number over there. No, I don't know why I like to keep the coefficient of x positive. That's not a rule in every book. If I do, oh, I'm sorry. That's too low. Last one, y equals 1/7 x, and it's through this point. Well, so the slope of this one's 1/7. What would perpendicular be? It is negative, reciprocal. Negative, reciprocal. Hello. Negative, reciprocal. So it'd be y minus 8 equals 1. Oh, I'm sorry, the perpendicular slope would be negative 7. The opposite and flip it. So it'd be negative 7 x minus 2. So it's y minus 8 equals negative 7x plus 14. So I'm going to add 7x and add 8 to get the numbers over here, variable over there. So 7x plus y equals 22. I added 8, Haha, so I hope this gives you a little memory about lines. A lot of people get this wrong on the test. I don't know why, but they do. Anyways, hey, have a great day. It's the middle of the week. Maybe. Depends when you're doing this, I guess. But hey, have a happy. Bye.